It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. I-16 amaqela. 3 as a qualified already. It's Egypt, it's Nigeria, and of course the biggest nation in Africa. Bafana Bafana, who have qualified for the last 16 Africa Cup of Nations. There's still 13 more spots. Yeah. 13 more ukwenza la last 16 so asikhathali kuba ngubani bazawusidecide bona ukuthi ngubani ozoya ku last 16 thina sesizibekela indawo uba iMorocco ya decide ukuthi okay we are playing at home, we're not going to last 16 indaba yabo leyo thina esiyaziyo ukuthi kakusenzwa la draw ye last 16 thina igama lethu lipha bendibukele lawo lo mdlalo Little Napoleon mandibulisa tsoko njani
ngibulise Msenkewu ngibulise Stizi ngibulise uchairman ngibulise lapho Ndomkwena ngibulise uBobo Khaduso ngibulise nomhlekazi omhle
Msotso
ungasubhubha ngeqhawe
legend
ngibulise nanemakhaya aqini support njalo like Disk TV nje benje binjalo ngijike futhi
we are so happy Msotso
I'm happy Shane
ebekufaneleke yenzekile namhlanje yenzekile
yeah no bekufanele you know ezinye izinto Shane ukuthi sometimes we don't see the end results uyabona but we always have our wishes of always being the best winning and so on and so forth but I will say now well done to the coach Hugo Bruce, well done to his technical team, well done to the boys. That was not an easy game. If somebody else was watching the game will agree with me. That was not an easy game. The Warriors, they were in the game. Yes, we got a goal early. I think about 6 minutes we got a goal. But the Warriors, they didn't stop coming at us. They didn't stop. They were coming until they got a goal.
I'm so happy ukuthi we were the ones who had to decide ukuthi iZimbabwe iya ku last 16 okanye ayiyi and decision yethu was that abayi because yakhumbula kwi qualifiers the World Cup where they wanted us not to go to the World Cup. So it was our time now to determine their fate and la revenge sibaphakela iplate nebandayo so sabanika
Shane, Shane, there's one thing I love about this game. When you've got an opportunity to do things, do them. When it's open there, go inside and sit and have a coffee. The house is open. So they had an opportunity to close the door for us. It was not a nice thing, but we were in that a position where we tried to knock, no one wanted to open the door.
So what impressed you ngomdlalo wanamhlanje and indoni engakhange impress ngomdlalo wanamhlanje?
Look, the coach of the Warriors, he's very smart. She's very smart. How he approached the game, how he tried to destabilize our team in terms of knowing certain players. If we allow Mbule to get the ball, we're going to have a problem. If we allow Tebza to start the build-up from the ball, from the back, we're going to have a problem. He put people, Fabisho, to assign Mbule. And it makes life to be difficult. And it's worse, Shane, when you're going to have three midfielders that they can't even pass each other. How are you going to control the midfield? If the three players, they can't even pass from here, Tebza, to Stole to Mbule. If they can't do that, they drove them.
Indonesians are a bit difficult to understand. It's the fact that Zimbabwe came with a solid plan, or a combination at all, I suppose.
Let me be brutally honest. Shane, love is blind. Our coach, Shane Muyamtanda, Stole. He loves Stole no matter what. He loves Stole. I couldn't believe second half when he took him out. I really couldn't believe. Like I was like, man, maybe my eyes, there's a problem. There's no way Stolen will be out. There's no way. But he was out. He was the only person in all our games, from the first game against Angola, the second game against Ilonzane, Egypt. He was the person who doesn't link us. Tebza, he goes to collect the ball. Then he needs him to be available to give him the ball so that he can link. No. Nombule,
yeah.
all the attacking players up front there, but he didn't do that. And I like how the coach of the Warriors, how he puts his team together. This guy Nakamba, their captain, was solid. Solid, Baba. In front of they knew that we've got Umbule that wants to attack here central. So
direct,
Ufa Bijolo was picking up Ulontuzana Umbule, and then Nakamba was sitting in front of defense. Then it makes our life very difficult. Even the goal that was scored in first half, you could see that yes, Moremi, good thinking of him taking a shot, deflection, it went inside. But the Warriors were very organized, disciplined. They know when to go with the speed to attack us. They know who's doing what, where. Abom Sendane, they were there doing very well. For me now,
Mutau dealt with him nicely there, Senda. Yeah?
Shane, sometimes playing this Champions League,
Yeah.
it helps you a lot. You gain experience by playing this Champions League because you can see Umdawa the did was he opened the line for him to say use the line, and once he pushed the ball, Umsendane to run there. Then that's when Unontuzana comes in Umdawa and with the ball. And Shane, I'm a bit worried.
What's worrying you? So,
We won, well done.
yeah.
We won the balls, they fought.
Yeah.
Foster is to put his life on the block there, the keeper, and then we got a goal. But how we defend with Ungezana and Umbogazi, I'm worried.
What's happening there? So, is
Oh,
it
you-
a matter of Bona Klambi Abaga understandani or
No. Shane, even if it's me and you as understanding, but I know my role. If I'm playing as a center back, you play as a center back. If you move to a left, automatically from me as a center back, it says I must also move to my left. I cannot allow you to go to a left and open the space in the midfield. I need to come in so that we must always try and be closer to each other to protect the goalpost. Every time when the ball goes to the side of Ungezan, Umbogazi is there to cover him. He's always there. He is always there. Look at the goal, the equalizing goal of the Warriors. Beautiful goal.
the first one?
Yeah, beautiful goal. Beautiful goal. And now I'm asking, how do you defend facing a goal post? How do you want to turn in the midfield? We know it's pity. Everyone is busy. There's a chaos in that midfield. Shane.
And we create.
Why do you want to turn in that midfield when you are not aware what's happening behind you? Because Stolle there in that midfield, kick the ball. You are facing your goal post.
That is why I'm saying City about created a goal so because we should have avoided la equalizer, but we just didn't, and they equalized.
Same player, yeah. Instead of him kicking the ball because he's facing our goal post, he's not sure what's happening because it tells you that he didn't screen. He didn't look what's happening behind him. Then he wanted to turn that.
And it's very
midfield.
dangerous so. Xa ibhola ifumana from the side and then uyibuyisela ngaphakathi when they dangerous ball because xa ingaphakathi is closer to your goal line than ba isecaleni.
Shani, it's something that I'm sure a lot of coaches they will agree with me. You cannot be a central midfielder when you find yourself in the wide position and then you're gonna play a pass in the midfield. If anything happens in that midfield, who's gonna cover when they attack?
Yeah.
You cannot. And when you're facing your goal post, defending, you if you're not sure what's happening behind you, you kick the ball. Kick the ball.
Out,
In that action, if Sitole kicked that ball out, look, 1-0, maybe the game was gonna end up with 1-0. But he made a mistake, and then the attackers.
But
Beautiful.
the way Telanga corner, so it was never gonna end 1-0.
Yeah, no.
It was never gonna end 1-0.
You know why? Because the Warriors, they wanted to win.
They wanted the goal.
We wanted to win, but we were cautious. We wanted to win, but we were cautious in the sense that, you know what, let's not go all the way open because a draw is good enough. A draw will take us through. So that's why, for them, they played an open game. They came to us, firing with all the cylinders. And, at some point, Williams saves us. And then look at the the own goal of Mudiba. It's football.
Unlucky. Yeah.
It's football. It does happen, and the second goal that you got, and I don't know what happened to the Nakamba. I don't know what came to his mind, or maybe he thought that he will take a chance in that ball because he used his hand, and I was like, there's no way. This one is a penalty.
Kuku VAR.
Yeah, no. If there was no VAR,
can
it
get
was a
away
corner
with it.
kick.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a corner kick. But now there's VAR. They said, no, let's go back and watch it. And then, Nakamba, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir, Nakamba. Thank you very much to take us through to the last 16.
Mr. Twenzo, thank you so much for your analysis. Umdlalo Bafana Bafana benibukele naye ke Benedict Sofi lakazi. We Bafana Bafana ke izibethele ke iNeighbours iZimbabwe ngamanqaku amathathu kwamabili. Making sure ke ukuthi Bafana Bafana izibekele indawo ku last 16 ye-Africa Cup of Nations. I-fixtures ngizawuphuma lapha weekendini. Obviously sawudlala maybe on Saturday or Sunday, but ke izawuconfirm. You can check on phake ku www.itdiskitimes.co.za. But ke namhlanje eMorocco Bafana Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. Thank you so much for watching Itdiski TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itdiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi. They call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itdiski TV.